got on the water at 7 and it's now 9. We've been fishing for big fish.
We haven't had any luck.
We've caught lots of small ones.
Fat little wings.
We might insert some clips right here.
Hey boys.
Not what we're looking for.
Oh.
Of the ones we caught, but now we're gonna go for crappie catch and cook. So we'll see how it goes.
Y'all stay tuned.
Alright boys.
Caught the first crappie.
First crappie. That's one. Starting to catch and cook. These things are so good.
Crappie number 2.
Yeah, this is what it should have been doing the whole time.
Here you go. Nice.
Got another. Hopefully it's a crappie.
You got a crappie?
I think so.
Oh, I got a crappie. John,
Yep.
look at this crappie.
Third crappie.
John. Oh, John, we got a crappie. John, we got a crappie.
This is how I take them off sometimes. This is either a big crappie or a small bass.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big crappie. Oh,
Nice.
it's not as big as I thought. That's a school back. There's a school back there. Yeah.
I'll do my ball.
Look at this, boys. This crappie. No way. Please don't be a perch. Don't be a perch. Yes, let's go. Number 5,
crappie.
5th crappie. Same spot pretty much. I switched to this pole because I got hung and dropped my crappie pole in the water and it's gone. So, yep. So we're here on the back of the side-by-side. We're gonna clean these crappie. This is the biggest one. I like to kind of start out with the biggest one. And I just cut here, right behind the gill, all the way down till I hit the backbone. And then you turn and push down on their head. And you just go sideways. All the way down. And then you flip it over and cut down to the skin and cut over, and then put the fillet right there and just cut the rib cage out. Now some people will eat the skin. They'll just cut this whole thing off and then just eat the skin, but I'm not really into that. I just like to eat it and know there's no bones or anything in it. So, and then flip her over. Do the same thing upside down.
Well, we cooked our first batch, and the breading that we used did not stick very well. So, we're using a new method where you put egg yolk first, and then you dip into the bag. So,
where did we learn this from?
we learned it from Flair.
Yep. We saw Flair.
So shout out to Flair. The bland.
Let me try some too.
It's good. It could use
It's just bland.
A lot more seasoning.
Yep.
All right, the steak seasoned. That's a lot better.
Try it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you like it?
I like the bland better than that.
You do? What?
And then the Tonys.
Yeah.
This is it. Yeah.
I'm gonna choke on season. You like
That's
that
the
one?
best.
That's the best
so
one?
Far, yeah. That's
It
my
was
favorite.
pretty good. Alright. How about chili pepper?
Which one is that?
This side right
This
here.
one?
Yeah.
I can't taste it. Oh, it's kind of got. It's like a little.
A
Spicy.
kick at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
Now the herb.
Herb,
Yeah, on that
garlic.
side. Yeah. How's more of
That
a...
tastes like bland.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think my favorite's been the Tony so far.
And Tony's?
What we just get done doing?
Well, we just got... Okay, we just got done eating all our fish. And it was amazing.
So good.
And...
Sawyer thinks he's figured out something
the new sauce
amazing.
is barbecue with fish. No cap.
We didn't have ketchup in my kitchen, which is terrible, but we found barbecue sauce and he tried it with the fish and he thought it was good.
amazing.
It was disgusting.
It was amazing.
He eats guacamole on his burgers. That's all you need to know.
Y'all comment down below if y'all like barbecue and fish.
Don't try it. Don't even try it.
Or guacamole and hamburger. It's so good. You have not lived until you have eaten any of it.
And also, if you're watching this video and you want to comment what you want us to do next,
yes.
any fishing challenges, where you want us to go fish, if we can do it, we will do it.
Yes.
So
because we are limited on where we can go during this.
Mostly challenges. See if y'all can come up with some good challenges me and Sawyer can do.
Because we need some ideas.
So that's about it. That's the end of the crappie catch and clean and cook. I hope y'all enjoyed.
Please hit the subscribe button.
We're almost to 100 subscribers.
Almost
That's crazy.
there. And thank y'all if y'all already did. And guess we'll see y'all next video.